The lesson plan block. This is the schematic diagram of your entire lesson. It contains the following pages: topics, teaching and learning activities, formative assessments, and quizzes. There are also several end-of-module activities and summative assessments. The main page. In this activity, you need to have the main page, where you can write the lesson's introduction. Declare your learning outcome and your lessons or topics menu. The lesson page. These are the pages where you can write your topic learning objectives and description. The sub-pages for your TLA, questions page, and other resources in Moodle resources. The main page, lesson page, and sub-pages are the same. They are called a content page. These are the activities available on your Moodle. To open the lesson activity, click the pink square on the right side of the panel. On the General option, name the window as you need. In this tutorial we will name it Sample Lessons. On the window, write a description of the lesson, and, if you like that the description will appear below the title of the lesson, tick the small box on the lower left of the window. Next, are several important settings available. Next, click the availability triangle. In this area, you have the option to set the date and time the lesson will be available and when the lesson ends, but first you have to enable it before you can use it. You can also set the duration that the student shall complete the lesson. Leave the flow control button as default, as we will not be using it. You can also set the grades, or if it is a practice lesson or not. If it is a practice lesson, set the retake allowed option to yes. As for now, let's leave the other options and save the lesson. Now, let's begin building the lesson's content page and other pages.
Our task for today is to create the content of the pages of the Moodle's lesson activity. First, we will create the main page for the lesson's learning outcome and description. Second, the topic page for the topic's learning objectives and description. Third, the subtopic pages for topics teaching and learning activities. Fourth, we will create the question pages for the topic's formative assessment. Task 2, we will be updating the links and jumps of the pages. Review all the pages and save the lesson.
This is the entire lesson block, for 3 learning outcomes, and each learning outcome is assigned to one topic. In this tutorial, we will only create the pages for one topic. Topic 1, Topic 2, and Topic 3. The main page or your main menu, where you write your lesson introduction, learning outcome, and your topic buttons. The topic page, where you write your topic learning objectives, description, and your TLA buttons. The topic sub-pages, the page for your teaching and learning activities. All the pages are capable of text, video, voice. You can even record your own video inside the page. The formative assessment pages. Here you will test the learning level of your students. The questions on this assessment must always be directed to your learning topic's learning objectives. The results of this assessment will determine if the student can progress to the next subtopic. You must carefully structure your questions, based on what are the contents of your TLA, and the questions should be enough that measure the learning of your student. On the next tasks, I will show you a complete lesson working template and blank template which will be used in the real-time creation of content pages.